In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the common Gmail error. Something went wrong, we've all been there, right? You're just about to send that important email or quickly check a message when suddenly you're met with the dreaded error message. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through a few simple steps that should get your Gmail back on track in no time. First things first, we're going to start by addressing a potential issue with your browser. Often problems with Gmail can be attributed to old or corrupted browsing data, so let's dive in and see if clearing that up can fix things. Begin by locating the three little dots in the upper right corner of your browser window. They're probably by the address bar, and clicking on them will open a drop-down menu with a variety of options for controlling your browsing experience. Once you have that menu open, go ahead and look for the option that says something along the lines of Settings or More Tools, depending on your browser. Within these menus, you should find Clear Browsing Data. This is the key to refreshing your browser's caches and potentially resolving any lingering issues with Gmail. With that option in sight, go ahead and click on it. Now you might be presented with some choices regarding what type of data you want to clear and the time frame. For our purposes, it's usually safe and effective to select cached images and files and cookies and other site data. This won't remove your saved passwords, but will remove temporary data that might be causing issues. Choose to clear these for a time range of all time to ensure any problematic data is fully cleared away. After selecting what you want, proceed by clicking the button that says Clear Data. This will initiate the process, and depending on how much data you have stored, it might take a few seconds to complete. Once it's done, the browser data will be cleared, which might just do the trick to resolving this error. Now, simply restart your browser for good measure and then try logging back into Gmail. More often than not, this simple act of refreshing your browser's stored data solves the problem. If you find the issue persists, it could be worth trying to access Gmail from a different browser just to see if the problem might be isolated to a specific one. That's all for today's video. Hopefully these steps have helped you restore Gmail to working order. Remember, keeping your browsing data tidy not only helps with Gmail but can improve your overall browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips and tricks.